first video, then you already know that there's an extremely high demand for knowledgeable and talented freelance writers out there. But how do you know that these skills will actually translate to earning potential for you in a part-time or a full-time career as a freelance writer? If you already have basic writing skills and are often complimented on the way that you communicate to others, you probably have all the expertise that you need, and you just need marketing support to help your freelance writing business get off the ground. Many people who want to become a freelance writer just don't know where to start. They don't know how to land their first client, how to effectively market, write a pitch, or put together writing samples. But you probably already have the sellable skills you need. Why? Because I'm going to let you in on a little secret about business owners, even super successful 7-figure and beyond business owners. Many of them don't have the time, the confidence, or the expertise to be able to write effectively. And in the digital age we live in, where everyone is making decisions based on what they know about a company before they choose to work with them, content marketing and proper storytelling and communication skills are essential. All businesses know this. This is why they're investing time and money in their content marketing strategy. They need freelance writers to help carry out the strategy because their in-house teams are simply too thinly stretched already or don't have the appropriate skill set and expertise to succeed with content marketing. In many cases, these businesses know that hiring an in-house writer is not affordable. They don't want the added expense of having to pay for that person's benefits and having them in an office that has to be rented or leased every single month, and it's not an effective use of time. For a fraction of the cost of hiring an employee, businesses can outsource their freelance writing needs to contractors. That's you, working at home, or honestly, wherever you want, in your pajamas, in your bed, at the library, in your home office. You can work from anywhere as a freelance writer. As a military wife, I've moved 7 times in 9 years, and every time my career as a freelance writer has followed me since I began it. That's an amazing opportunity to know that I don't have to pick up and set down new roots and try to find a job all over again. My job follows me. It also means I can work anywhere. I can go visit my family for 4 to 6 weeks and still get my work done because all I need is a laptop and Wi-Fi. How many careers can you even say that about? That's why I'm so passionate about helping people become freelance writers. Many people truly underestimate the demand for freelance writers, or they don't really understand why a company would choose to outsource to a freelance writer to begin with. As I mentioned earlier, it's all about leveraging their resources. I work with many high-profile business owners and law firms. They may have the ability to write, but it's not a good use of their time. Their time is better spent focusing directly on one-on-one interactions with their clients and living up to the promises and responsibilities they've laid out in that contract. It's not writing blogs or web content or press releases or white papers. They turn that all over to me so that they know it's being handled by an expert in the field and so that it produces a positive, forward-facing piece of content for their company. Now, those pieces of content can be used in so many different ways. You might create an opt-in ebook that's used to generate traffic to a particular landing page or encourage people to sign up for a service. It could be a blog that answers critical questions for your clients, or it might even be social media snippets. All kinds of writers are out there, and the demand is there for all these different types of writers as well. Simply put, if you have a way with words and have often been complimented on your ability to communicate effectively, you have the sellable skills that it takes to become a freelance writer. I had no formal training when I got started, and everything I needed to know, I learned myself. I'm a self-taught freelance writer, and those skills that I've learned and enhanced over the years have helped me to build a full-time, thriving freelance writing business. That's right, month in and month out. Money coming in, amazing clients I get to work with, and extreme creativity over the topics that I write about. I love doing the research, writing, and editing process, and those are all highly sellable skills because you already know the value of effective communication in 2018 and beyond. It's everywhere. It's super important that companies be able to clearly communicate their message and their unique value proposition. As a freelance writer, you can help them do that and get paid for it. Yes, even if you already have a day job and you're looking for extra income on the side, or if you're looking to build your freelance writing career to the full-time mark. I've done both. I balanced my part-time freelance writing career for a solid year before I launched and went full-time. But when I went full-time, my income tripled because of the new hours of resources I was dedicating towards growing my business. And since then, I've worked with amazing companies. I've worked on $50,000 ghostwriting projects to edit somebody's book. I've worked managing teams of freelancers for TrueCar and Microsoft, and I've continued to grow my retainer clients along the way. Now I'm passionate about helping other people start. Because when I launched my freelance writing business in 2012, one of the biggest challenges that I found was that there weren't enough resources. No one was really talking about freelance writing just yet. Some people were already making money doing it, but there weren't a lot of hands-on, step-by-step resources to help people get there. And I had to learn a lot of lessons trial by fire. Trust me, I want to help you avoid some of the mistakes I made in working with the wrong clients, not having appropriate contracts to protect me, not knowing how to price myself, and all of the different things that you need to think about as a freelance writer who is also a business owner, because you are. This is a business that you're launching, even if it's just part-time income for you. I want to help you avoid so many of those problems and help you get to a sustainable point in your freelance writing business where you're taking on bigger and better clients and doing something that really fulfills you. You probably already have the sellable skills to become a freelance writer if you're already a good communicator and writer to begin with, but you probably need help with the marketing aspect of your business. You might not know what kind of writing you want to focus on, how to put together a contract that clearly protects you and lays out boundaries with your clients, or how to network for these amazing clients to begin with. Where on earth are they found? I can help you with all of these aspects of launching your freelance writing career and more, putting together pitches, writing amazing writing samples that will convert into clients, pricing yourself appropriately, how to network with these clients and where to find them, and how to take one-off job opportunities and turn them into lucrative retainers that pay you $10,000, $15,000, or $20,000 a year or more to work with clients you already love. This has been a crucial component of taking my business to and beyond the six-figure level, and I want to help you launch your freelance writing career as effectively as possible so you earn your investment back ASAP. This is why I'm launching Freelance Launchpad, this amazing program where you're going to get 6 weeks of step-by-step actions to launch a freelance writing career that's customized for you. One size fits all doesn't work in the freelance writing world. Perhaps you want to write press releases only, or you'd like to become a book ghostwriter. It's hard to figure out which direction you want to go until you know your skill set and your unique value proposition and talents that you bring to the table. I'll help you find them in my 6-week Freelance Launchpad program, where I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to launch a freelance writing career. We're going to help you troubleshoot, create writing samples that are amazing, write an effective pitch, and begin actively marketing for clients so you can land your first client, ideally in 30 days or less. If you follow my advice, you're going to have a proven path that's customized specifically for you. It's not based on just my experience. It's based on my experience helping hundreds of students become successful freelancers in the past. And when else can you get the insight of a multi-six-figure freelancer helping you build the business of your dreams? Whether you only have 5 hours a week to work on your freelance writing business or you'd like to replace your day job income, we're going to design a plan that's specific to you. And every week you're going to get customized homework aligned specifically with your end goal business in mind. Now, you still have another amazing free training video coming tomorrow about how to be successful as a freelance writer. But until then, if you're already interested in Freelance Launchpad, I'm going to give you a special reward for taking action sooner rather than later. Because honestly, I love action takers. And since my only regret is that I didn't launch my freelance writing business sooner, I want to reward you for being one of those positive thinking people who's ready to do this now to begin building the business of your dreams. Normally, this 6-week program costs $997, but you're going to get access to it for only $697 if you act today. That's 6 weeks of insider input directly from me, email support. I'm going to review your writing samples. I'm going to give you direction on marketing. I'm going to help you refine your pitch, and you're going to get feedback all along the way so that we can build a business that's truly right for you. So click the button below if you're interested in learning more about Freelance Launchpad and signing up. This offer will expire 48 hours after you've seen the last video, so I encourage you to take action now. Again, it's in your best interest to begin your freelance writing career now and to start establishing yourself towards a really meaningful and wonderful